Hi guys, today I explain that how to use a English style toilet. You see, this is a completely English style toilet. You see video skin. At first, when you use it, at first you look this just this position. So when you use it, at first your work that you at first this cover toilet cover or tub up, then you see this position. So you no need up. This is a comfortable. So then you use, so you look just me, then you sit over the toilet, just me, you see, just me sit over this toilet tub, you see just me. So then your work finished, then you stand up, and then some stools here. So you see behind of toilet, you see this is a water flasher push switch. So you push here and see water flash. So clear all stool clears. You just push here and water flash, then all stools clear. Then if some stools hang up here, so you see this is a water flasher, water spray gun. This handle, you just push this handle and water spray, you look water spray. So all stools clear. So then your work finish, so you shut down toilet tap. So clear. Then you stop off, and for next man you also tap off, because this some water spray slowly down, so next man comfortable to his work. So if my video you give pleasure, so you click subscribe me. Thank you. Bye bye.